Welcome crocheters to Crazy Cool Crochet. This is Sylvia, and today I am bringing you this gorgeous crochet stitch. Very versatile. You can use it on so many different projects. I use it here on a pillow cover. This would be great for a scarf. This would work for a wrap or a shawl. Let me know in the comments below what other ideas you might have where you can use this particular stitch. Now let's go ahead and talk about the stitch itself, and then I will show you the tutorial to work this. And it is quite simple, really. And if you've never tried this, you are going to wonder why, because it is not difficult at all. Now the stitch that we are going to work on is called a waffle stitch. And you could probably tell why. We're going to start with a chain, and we do first a row of double crochets, starting in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Pull the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first 2, pull through the last 2, and that's a double crochet. Yarn over, go into the chain, grab your yarn, 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. So just continue this in each chain across. Okay, when you get to the end of the row, and by the way, since this is only a swatch and I'm only showing you how to work the stitch and what it looks like, I'm not worried about counts at this point. At the end of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and leave you the link where you can actually work this pillow. Okay, so at the end of the row, all you do is chain 2 and turn. So now we're going to work a double crochet into that very first stitch right under the turning chain. Double crochet. Now we're going to work with front post double crochet, and that's what forms these little posts here. If you've never worked with front post double crochet, you are going to love it. Okay, so yarn over as if for a double crochet. Now we're going to work around the post of that first double crochet below. So you're going to grab your yarn, go through that space behind the double crochet post back to the front. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Your hook will know what to do. And pull up. You've got your 3 loops on the hook, and you're going to work the double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. See, that was not that difficult, was it? Okay, now we're going to do a double crochet, 1 in each of the next 2 stitches on top, and we're working under the 2 strands that form the chain at the top. Double crochet, double crochet. Now we're going to work another front post double crochet. We're skipping the next 2 below, because that's accounted for with these 2 double crochets. So in the next double crochet post, I'm going to work another front post double crochet. So go through the space, behind the post, back to the front, grab your yarn, pull it up, 3 loops on the hook, work a double crochet. Now a double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And then a front post double crochet around the double crochet post below. Skip these 2. Go behind the post, back to the front, grab your yarn, 3 loops on the hook, 2 and 2. Double crochet in the next 2. And then a front post. Double crochet, and the fun front post. Double crochet. Go around the post, 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, double crochet, double crochet. You will have 3 double crochet posts left on the bottom. Now work your front post double crochet. So now you've got the 2 double crochets below on the bottom and the turning chain. So you're going to work your 2 double crochets as usual. And then a double crochet into the top of the turning chain. So you end the row with 3 double crochets, chain 2, and turn. Now you're going to see your 2 double crochet posts. So you're going to work a front post double crochet around each of those 2 double crochets. There's the front post. So now you're going to do a double crochet into the top of that front post. So you can see it right there. So going under those 2 strands that form that little chain right there, a regular double. Now here's your 2 double crochets, do 2 front post double crochets. And this is what you will do across the row. Double crochet into that front post, and then 2 front post double crochets. That's your pattern for this row. Now you've worked your last 2 front post double crochets. Now work 2 double crochets to end the row. Chain 2 and turn. Now we are going to enter that first double crochet in that first stitch. Work a front post around that front post. 2 double crochets. Your front post double crochet. Then 2 double crochets, and that's the pattern for this row. Now you can see how your waffle squares have formed. Let me know in the comments below if you found this easier than you thought, and if you plan to use this stitch, and again, let me know how. So to find the pattern for this pillow cover using this stitch, you can watch to the end, and we're just about there anyway, and I will leave a link to get you to that pattern, to that tutorial. You can also go in the space below the video, go down there, open it up where it says show more. I'll give you the links in there too for the tutorial and for the written pattern over on my blog, which is, by the way, crazycoolcrochet.com. You will also find the printable pattern at my Etsy shop, which is crazycoolcrochetus.etsy.com. Now don't forget to go back to my home page. I'm giving you all kinds of instructions here. Down below the video where it says Crazy Cool Crochet, click on that. It takes you to the home page. At the top of that, click where it says videos, and you'll see I've got all kinds of other tutorials out there. So hopefully this is something you can use in the future, and I hope that you come back for more. Thank you for watching.